Elephants. Elephants are the largest herbivore today. They live widely throughout Asia, Europe and Africa. Elephants have an average age of 60 to 70 years. Bears. Bears are the largest predatory mammal on land. We are very widespread, appearing in a variety of habitats across the Northern Hemisphere, the Southern Hemisphere and continents North America, South America, Europe and Asia. Common features of today's bears include a large body with elongated legs, a long snout, small round ears, ruffled feathers, paws with 5 non-retractable claws, and a short tail. The average age of the bear is about 20 years. The bear's pregnancy cycle ranges from 195 days to 265 days. Bison. The bison is an even, ungulate mammal, the bovine family. They have dark hair and very large size, living mainly in the hills of India, East Asia and Southeast Asia. Bison in groups of 8 to 10 individuals. Bulls often live alone or together in small groups. We like to eat young leaves, seedlings, and new grass that grows in the field. There is about 270 days pregnant, born each year, each litter. The average lifespan of bison is about 30 years. Giraffe. The giraffe is a genus of mammals of the chalk tribe, the tallest land animal and the largest ruminant. Giraffes range widely from Chad in the north to South Africa in the south, and from Niger in the west to Somalia in eastern Africa. Giraffes usually live in savanna, grasslands and open forests. Their main source of food is acacia leaves, which they nibble at altitudes that cannot be reached by most other herbivores. The whole body is covered with uneven spots on the yellow to black hairs divided by white, and golden brown. Males can reach a height of 4.8 to 5.5 meters, 16 to 18 feet, and weigh up to 1,300 kilograms. Giraffes have a lifespan of 20 to 25 years. The gestation period of a giraffe is quite long, usually takes from 400 to 460 days. Zebra. Zebras are herbivores of several species of the African equine family identified by their characteristic black and white stripes. They occur in many types of habitats, such as grasslands, open forests, thorny bushes, mountains and coastal hills. They are most widely distributed in the plains and grasslands from southern Ethiopia stretching through eastern Africa as far south as Angola and southeast Africa. The average lifespan of a horse is 40 to 50 years. The gestation period of zebras ranges from 365 to 400 days. Ostrich.
The ostrich is the largest bird in the world. It can measure up to 2.5 meters in height and weigh up to 150 kilos. It has 2 large wings, but cannot fly. This is because it has no pectoral muscles on its sternum. By contrast, it is an excellent runner. Thanks to its long and strong legs, it can reach a speed of up to 70 kilometers an hour. When running, one ostrich stride can cover 5 to 6 meters, and the bird can change direction swiftly to escape enemies. Ostriches are originally from Africa. Their ideal habitat is the savanna. On the other hand, they dislike prairies where vegetation is too dense to run.
Hippo. The hippopotamus is a close to pig mammal with a large head, wide snout, herbivorous, living in African rivers and swamps.
Do they know we are here?
Yeah, that is why.
Is that why they're making the noise?
They have seen us.
Right. It's crazy.
It is one of the largest terrestrial mammals and the heaviest even ungulates. They have an average weight of up to 1.5 tons and length about 5 meters, and teeth have the strength equivalent to a large sledgehammer. The average lifespan of hippos is from 40 to 50 years. Mother hippopotamus usually pregnant about 8 months. Female hippos have a gestation period of 8 months and give birth to only one baby at a time. At birth, the calf weighs between 23 and 50 kilograms. Monkey. Deer. Tiger.